Hi everyone. Today we're going to take a look at one of the library's largest databases, which is called JSTOR. It's an excellent place to search for journal articles on a wide variety of topics. We'll start on the NCC Library homepage, and then we can scroll down to the research box. Now let's go into Databases A to Z. We'll click right here on J and go right into JSTOR. A quick note, if you're working from off campus, from home, or from work, at this point you will be asked for a username and password. This is just your NCC student email or Workday username and password combination. JSTOR is a large database and scholarly journal archive that focuses on the humanities and social sciences, but definitely has materials across many academic disciplines. JSTOR is also an excellent place to find primary sources on a wide variety of topics, which is what we are going to focus on today. Primary sources typically provide direct, first-hand evidence or commentary about any or all of the following: a historical event, person, object, artwork, or performance. Let's do a search for primary source documents on the Prohibition era in America. The Prohibition era was a time in the early to mid-20th century when alcohol was banned in the United States. So we'll try an advanced search right here. Let's put our search terms right here, which are alcohol and prohibition. We will set our date range from 1900 to 1935. The Prohibition era was officially 1920 to 1933, so that will give us primary source documents from the time of Prohibition. Now we can scroll back up and do our search. So now we can see there are 2,271 full-text results from 1900 to 1935 that discuss alcohol prohibition. Let's scroll down to the article, The Profession of Bootlegging. We'll notice that it's from a publication called The Annals of the American Academy of Political and Social Science, and it's from May of 1926. Which can make it a primary source document on the Prohibition era in America. Let's click on the title right here and open up the article. From here, the full text of the article is yours to read, download, or print. You can download the PDF right here and save it to your computer or email it to yourself. Also notice item details. This gives us the remote access URL. This link provides permanent access to this article. We can also go over here to the cite icon and open up this feature. This will give us formatted citations in MLA, APA, and Chicago style. Just be sure to check them before you copy them into your Word document. These citations will usually get you 75 or 80% of the way there, but sometimes there are minor errors in capitalization or italics. Please be sure to check them. You don't want to lose points at the end of your research paper after all of your hard work. And that concludes our tutorial of JSTOR for today. Please feel free to contact us at the library with any questions via chat, email, or Zoom appointments, or in person at the Bethlehem or Pocono campuses. Thank you and have a nice day.